Doherney is the only animal that can reverse its aging process completely. When it gets old, sick, or injured, it just transforms back into a baby. Imagine if humans could do this. You hit 70, start feeling tired, then suddenly you're 5 years old again with all your memories intact. That's what this jellyfish does. It sinks to the ocean floor, reabsorbs its tentacles, and converts back into a polyp. Then it grows up again from scratch. It can do this indefinitely. Scientists have observed the same jellyfish doing this cycle multiple times in lab conditions. Theoretically, this jellyfish could live forever if nothing eats it. The only reason they die is predators or disease during the vulnerable transformation period. We've been studying them intensely, trying to figure out how they're doing this. If we understood the mechanism, we might be able to apply it to human cells. Cancer, aging, degenerative diseases, all of it could potentially be reversed. Number 4. Navigating across entire oceans using Earth's magnetic field. Sea turtles hatch on a beach, crawl into the ocean, then disappear for years. Decades later, they return to the exact same beach where they were born. Not just the same country or coastline, the same 100-meter stretch of sand. They navigate across thousands of miles of open ocean with perfect accuracy. Scientists tagged baby turtles and tracked their movements. These turtles were detecting Earth's magnetic field and using it like a GPS system. Different locations have unique magnetic signatures. The turtles memorize the magnetic signature of their birth beach when they're hatchlings. Then, they spend years swimming across the Pacific or Atlantic. When it's time to lay eggs, they follow the magnetic map back home. Researchers tested this by putting baby turtles in tanks and changing the magnetic field around them. The turtles immediately adjusted their swimming direction based on the artificial field. They're reading invisible forces we can't even detect without instruments. Number 3. Sleeping with half a brain at a time. Dolphins and whales have to consciously breathe. If they fall fully asleep, they drown. So they evolved unihemispheric sleep. Half their brain sleeps while the other half stays awake. The awake half controls breathing and watches for threats. After a few hours, they switch sides. The sleeping half wakes up, the awake half goes to sleep. They're literally never fully unconscious. Ducks do this too. When sleeping in groups, the ducks on the outside keep one eye open and half their brain awake, watching for predators. The ducks in the middle sleep fully. They take turns being on guard duty throughout the night. Scientists observed this by measuring brain activity while the animals slept. One